Welcome back to Khanmigo 101. In this video, we're going to learn about the Writing Coach tool. In case you weren't aware, all 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students at CHS have access to Khanmigo this school year. Khanmigo is a virtual AI-powered tutoring tool. You can use Khanmigo to help you when you need it the most in math, science, and humanities-related classes. What's great about Khanmigo is that it doesn't just give you answers, it helps you actually learn the information from your courses. This month, we're looking at the Writing Coach tool, which guides you through the phases of the writing process. To access Writing Coach, it's just like accessing the Tutor Me tool. You log into Clever, click on the Khan Academy app, click on Activities on the left-hand side, and then select Writing Coach on the left-hand side. The Writing Coach tool was designed by teachers and writing instructors. It doesn't just focus on the final essay, it focuses on the process of writing the essay. Most students feel the most frustrated when they have to outline their work and get their first draft done. Fortunately, Khanmigo's Writing Coach tool supports you at every point in the writing process, including understanding the assignment, outlining your ideas and creating your thesis statement, drafting your first draft, revising your writing, and finally turning it in. Let's take a closer look at how to use this powerful tool with an actual writing assignment. Here's a writing assignment that my teacher assigned to me. This is an argumentative writing assignment. I'm supposed to write about whether social media is helpful or harmful. And these are the instructions that my teacher has given me. I'd like Khanmigo's Writing Coach to help me with this essay because I feel nervous about understanding what the teacher's expecting and getting my first draft done. So I'm going to log into Khanmigo and access the Writing Coach tool. Once you're logged into Khanmigo's Writing Coach tool, in the upper right-hand side, you'll probably see a blue button that allows you to start a new essay. You'll click that blue button and you'll be greeted with this screen, where you'll enter in some important information that your teacher has probably provided to you, including the title of the assignment, your grade level, the type of essay, as well as the essay instructions, and then optionally you can put in how many words at minimum you're expected to write. So you can copy this information straight from your teacher's assignment. Once you're done putting in the information, you're going to click Let's Get Started. Khanmigo is going to ingest the information you gave it, including your teacher's directions, and it's going to walk you through the process of writing, starting with understanding the prompt, then outlining your ideas, drafting your first draft, and revising your draft so that it's ready to be published. First, Khanmigo is going to ask you if you have any questions about the essay prompt and the instructions before you get started. This is an opportunity to ask Khanmigo for help before you outline your ideas. I'm going to ask Khanmigo a couple of questions. First, I want to know what rhetorical strategies are. So I'm going to ask. And Khanmigo is going to answer my question with information that I wanted. I have another question, but this time instead of typing it, I'm just going to speak my question. So I'm going to turn on speak recognition, and I'm also going to turn on Khanmigo voice because you don't have to type and read all the time with Khanmigo. You can interact with voice. How much evidence do I need to give in my essay? Can it be from my own life?
Your essay should include enough evidence to support both your claim and counterclaim effectively. This can come from various sources. Personal experiences can be used if they are relevant and support your argument. Do you have any other questions about the assignment?
So at this point, I don't have any more questions. So I completely understand and I'm ready to get started. So I'm going to click this blue button that says Next, Start Outlining. Here you're going to be given a template for an outline. The template is specific to the type of writing that you entered in the first page. I'm writing a persuasive and argumentative essay, so it has set up an outline according to that kind of writing. And you'll see there's a text box for a bunch of different things that you're probably expected to include in your essay, such as a thesis or a claim. For your body paragraphs, a main point or topic with evidence. You can also find spaces to put in source information and the reasoning and explanation between your main point and your evidence. And then you'll see areas to put in the same information for other body paragraphs, such as here we have body paragraph 2 with main point and topic, evidence and example, source, reasoning, explanation, just like the last paragraph. And then the same information in an area for body paragraph 3. Even though I was given 3 places to put information for each body paragraph, you can take away by clicking garbage cans any of these elements, as well as adding with the plus sign buttons, either additional evidence or examples, additional reasoning or explanations, or additional body paragraphs altogether. At the very end, it prompts you as to what a conclusion paragraph is, but it's purposely waiting for you to put this information in until the next step. Off to the right, you'll notice that you still have the Khanmigo tool, but if you look down at the bottom, you still have access to the whole assignment. So now I'm going to fill out my outline. Now that I've put in all of my information into my outline, I'm going to click the next Start Drafting button. And what Khanmigo did was it took all the information I put into my outline and put it in that side panel so that I can refer back to it as I'm writing my draft. There's also still the chat option on the bottom right, where if you get stuck or you need some help making decisions or you need someone to check your work so far, you can do that there. And then the third tab is still there where you can access the original directions for the assignment. So now I am going to create my first draft, and I noticed here that I can at any point, instead of having to retype information from my outline, I can just hit copy for any of these parts and then paste it directly into this box. So I'm going to use this a couple of times to make the process a little bit faster and easier for me. Now that I've finished drafting my first draft, I'm ready to start revising it. I'm going to click the blue button that says Next, Start Revising. So I'm going to click this blue Ready for Feedback button. And the AI tool is going to analyze my writing and begin to generate some feedback for me. The feedback gives more in-depth information, and then it gives you a symbol to help you determine what your strengths are. So here it's broken my essay down into categories: the introduction, the evidence and reasoning, structure, conclusion, and style and tone. Introduction tells me that my introduction is clear and engaging, and Khanmigo has given me some positive feedback. And then if I want more information on that feedback, I can click on Chat with Khanmigo. And then notice with structure, there's the number 5 next to it. That's because Khanmigo has identified 5 things that I could do to make my writing even stronger. Overall, Khanmigo's happy with the structure of my essay and has given me an excellent, but down below you're going to see there are 5 pieces of feedback that give me specific things that I can do to make it even better. Such as the way that I break up my argument into body paragraphs could be a little bit more logical. And when I click that, I can ask for some additional information, like, what do you mean by that? So I could click, give me an example. I can ask it to explain what it meant by that. I can go into my essay and begin to edit it over here and ask it to check the editing that I did. And if I want to ask my own question, I can. But after I'm done making the change, or if I decide to ignore that feedback, I just mark it as resolved. So what I do is I go through each of these pieces of actionable feedback, and I'm going to either take that suggestion and do it, I might need to ask some questions or see some examples to help me do it, or I can choose to ignore it and mark it as resolved. So I'm going to repeat this process until I'm done doing all of the suggestions that Khanmigo has given me. After I'm done revising my essay, I can choose to mark it as complete. When I do that and click this blue button up top, it's going to remind me to do any final checks that I may have forgotten to do, where I can go back to revising, or if I'm sure that I've done all the revising that I needed to do, I can mark it as complete. And it gives me a little celebration. You did it. Your essay has been marked complete. At this point, I can export my essay as a Microsoft Word document, which is helpful if you plan on editing it later and you use a Windows device. I can export it as a PDF, and I can save it to my Google Drive in case I want to edit it later and I might be working on a Chromebook, or I'm more comfortable using Google Docs. As you saw today, the writing coach tool can be pretty helpful when trying to complete some of the more challenging writing assignments at school. Hopefully, you'll have a chance to try this tool out, and we'll be getting your feedback to see how it worked out for you. If you have any questions, talk to one of your teachers. We hope that the writing coach tool will be beneficial to you.